Makiaria hindi ya mathiko ma Herbert Kareithi uria ni muthuri wa Pelagia Muthoni muhuraniri wa giturwa kia murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Murang'a githurano-ini kihituku atongoria mwaho wa mung'ethaniro mathiete na mbere na kuhunjia urumwe wao makiuga urumwe wao ni gukamarehera uhotani githurano-ini kinene giukite.
The Mountain had decided ya kwamba kura yake itaenda kikapu mo. This election that is coming, I want to assure you, Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, take it from me, speaking from the mountain. Hii kura ya mulima itaenda kikapu moja.
Therefore we cannot wait and see the country going to the dogs. Ndio nimesikia ndugu Eugene akisema hapa, it is not possible to divide the united opposition. What is binding us together is really not political rhetoric. It is the love of this nation.
Atongoria maugite gicunji kinene kia Kenya maugite bururi ndwatorithio na njira njega makimuria gutua matua marumu gucagura atongoria mwaho wa mung'ethaniro kuna nio mena meciria mega iguru ria uthii wa na mbere wa bururi uyu.
Latest opinion polls show that this country 84% of Kenyans are saying Kenya is headed in the wrong direction. Na tutatoa mgombezi mmoja atakayepeleka Kasongo wapi? Nyumbani.
Oho atongoria ni mokirire commission ithurano na mihaka IEBC makiuga nitikirite kuhuthika kiuteti na gutiganiria wira wayo.
IEBC, we know as it is a Ruto commission. We tell them we are going even for private prosecution because yale yalifanyika hapa mbele na Malava criminal. The chairman first of all anakilia mtu ambaye is not even amekuwa mulagai kwa majina yake hajulikani.
Nigukoretwo na muhuhu ate kwa ugakorwo na mwatuka ngwataniro-ini ya mung'ethaniro iguru ria uria ciama ici ikagayana ituro itiganite githurano-ini kinene giukite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Maina wa Kihara.